na halima ang mundo sa galing nila. Pero, syempre, mahalima natin sila. Dati pa, everybody, welcome to the stage, Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justin, SB19. Woo!
It's a plan.
Don't care if it was a holiday. We make memories as a piece of land. So go to paradise, see what paradise. Butterfly like the sky. You love to enjoy life.
Know that you deserve it. Yeah.
Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Do whatever it says you do. Oh, 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 oh. Do whatever it says you do. Oh, 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 oh. Do whatever it says you do.
Mabuti pang wala plano. Tuloy no joke. Kagaganyan na sila sa pinto. Jump with you, but now you know you. Kung naman matapos na masarap ko. Don't you worry, I know. My heart not yours. Sing it.
Even though we say, oh yeah, know that you deserve it, yeah.
Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Let's do whatever Acer got you.
Be an acer in wherever you pursue. The world is a better place because of you.
Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Let's do whatever Acer got you.
Forever mahal ko kayo. Do whatever Acer got you.
Give it up for Dara and SB19! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat! Lupit! At si Dara, matagal ko na rin siyang kilala. Literally, when Dara was starting out in showbiz, kamusta naman working with Dara? Kasi may collab kayo, di ba? Yung reset, nakita nga natin.
Ako po na-starstruck talaga.
Starstruck ka kay Dara.
Wala akong masabi.
Kayo.
Kasi ano po si Ate Dara, napapanood lang namin siya sa TV, sa music video. Pero iba pag nakita mo siya, personal. Tapos, napakabait, napakagaan katrabaho. Tapos ang galing kasi, sobrang fluent pa rin ni Ate Dara mag-Tagalog. Sobrang galing pa rin niya mag-Tagalog. Hindi kami mahihirapan mag-English pagkasama siya.
Dara, ikaw naman, how was it katrabaho ang SB19?
Syempre, starstruck din ako. Kasi, di ba, fan din ako ng SB19 and Gento, di ba? Sumayaw rin ako ng Gento. So, when I first saw them,
Huwag kang nagkikento sa harap, sisimula ako, di ko humihinto. Awatin niyo ako, di ko mahinto to. Awatin mo ako, just awatin.
parang may mali.
Buti na awat mo ako. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat and I can't wait to see more collaborations mula sa SB19. Dara, pa nagsama kayo, G22, lahat-lahat na